reduce heat buildup. Light filtering allows natural light to filter through, which can create interesting shadow patterns and reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Weight reduction. By removing portions of the wall, the overall load on the structure is reduced, which can be beneficial for structural design and cost efficiency. Privacy and safety. While allowing light and air to pass through, perforated parapet walls can still provide a degree of privacy and fall protection. The size and placement of openings can be adjusted to maintain safety standards. Common materials used. Brick or concrete blocks. Openings are made by leaving gaps between bricks or blocks. Precast concrete panels. Custom designs can be manufactured with high precision. Metal panels, often used in modern buildings with laser-cut designs. Wood, for temporary or aesthetic installations, although less durable for long-term use. Applications. Rooftop boundaries. Balcony walls. Terrace enclosures. Garden walls. Decorative screens on building facades. Considerations for design and construction. Structural stability. Openings must not compromise the integrity or strength of the wall. Weather protection. In areas prone to heavy rain or snow, perforated walls may require additional protection or drainage systems. Code compliance. Must meet building codes related to height, opening sizes, and load-bearing capacity. In summary, a perforated parapet wall serves both functional and decorative roles in modern architecture. It offers a blend of utility and style, enhancing the aesthetics of buildings while providing benefits such as airflow, light diffusion, and reduced material usage. Proper design and construction are essential to ensure that these walls remain safe, durable, and compliant with building standards. A paneled parapet wall is a type of architectural feature commonly used in buildings to enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Here's an overview of what it is, its construction, and its uses. What is a paneled parapet wall? A paneled parapet wall is a parapet, a low protective wall along the edge of a roof, balcony, or terrace, that is divided into sections or panels, often using decorative or structural elements like pilasters, molding, or indentations. The panels can be recessed or raised, and are typically arranged in a repeating pattern to add visual interest. Key features. Panels, distinct sections, usually rectangular or square, formed by either projecting or recessed areas on the parapet surface. Materials, commonly made of brick, concrete, stone, or plaster with finishings such as stucco or paint. Decorative elements, may include cornices, coping stones, moldings, or ornamental caps. Height, typically extends to 5 to 4 feet above the roof level, depending on design and safety requirements. Functions of a paneled parapet wall. Safety, acts as a guardrail to prevent falls from the roof or balcony. Aesthetics, adds architectural interest and enhances the appearance of the building facade. Concealment, helps hide roof equipment like HVAC units, water tanks, or solar panels. Wind protection, reduces wind uplift and protects the roof structure. Rain protection, when designed properly, it directs rainwater away from the roof edges. Common applications. On the rooftops of residential or commercial buildings. Around terraces, balconies, or verandas. In heritage or classical architecture, where decorative paneled parapets are part of the style. In modern buildings, where minimalist panels may serve a sleek, clean design purpose. Design considerations. Structural strength, must be built to withstand wind loads and seismic activity if applicable. Waterproofing. Needs proper drainage and flashing to prevent water infiltration. Material compatibility, should match or complement the main structure in terms of materials and finish. An embattled parapet wall is a type of architectural feature commonly found in historical fortifications, castles, and military structures. Here's a detailed explanation. What is an embattled parapet wall? An embattled parapet wall is a low protective wall along the edge of a roof, balcony, or terrace that is notched or crenellated, typically for defensive purposes. The notches are known as crenellations, and the alternating high sections are called merlons, while the gaps or low sections are embrasures or crenels. Key features. Crenellations, or battlements. These provide cover for defenders while allowing them to shoot or observe through the gaps. Merlons, solid uprights that provide protection. Embrasures, crenels, openings through which arrows, spears, or later, firearms could be used. Parapet wall height, typically about waist high, allowing defenders to crouch behind them. Purpose and use. Military defense. Originating in medieval times, embattled parapet walls were a vital part of castle and fort defenses. Symbolism. In later periods, embattled parapets became more decorative, symbolizing strength, security, and heritage.